Hey guys, I'm back to share with you some new recipes. This video will be about vegan patties or cutlets. They are so delicious and full of protein. They are perfect for burgers, sandwiches, wraps and on their own. So let's get started! You need 2 tablespoons of ground flax seed with water, half cup of cooked brown rice, half kilo of mushrooms, 1 onion, 3 garlics, 1 can of white beans, 1 cup of breadcrumbs and 2 tablespoons of soy paste or hummus. First of all, you're gonna cut up onions and garlics and then use 1 tablespoon of olive oil and fry onions and mushrooms until they are cooked. Finally, add garlics. I also add a teaspoon of salt, black pepper and a pinch of chili pepper. So it's time to combine it all together in a blender. This is definitely my favorite part. You should add everything except breadcrumbs. We will add them later. And now just blend it all up together, but don't overblend. And finally add breadcrumbs. I also add 2 tablespoons of soy flour to make consistency more thick. Now use water to make your hands wet. It will help you to form patties easier. I make mine pretty big so they fit the buns I use. I bake them for about 20 minutes in the oven with 250 Celsius temperature. Leave them to cool down and they will turn out perfect. You need 1 cup of cooked lentil, half cup of chopped tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of flax meal, middle onion, 3 garlic, 7 full spoons of chickpea flour. I add all my ingredients in the blender except chickpea flour. I mixed everything up and then I add flour to make the consistency more suitable for patties. I also add a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of black pepper, half of teaspoon of chili, 1 tablespoon of turmeric and 1 teaspoon of cumin. Finally, I add 3 tablespoons of breadcrumbs. And now our lentil patties are ready. So for the black bean burgers you need 2 cups of black beans, 1 cup of cooked brown rice, 1 cup of oats, 1 cup of chopped onions and half cup of walnuts or other nuts. This time I add everything to the blender. You also need 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard and 2 tablespoons of tomato paste and add 4 tablespoons of water. I also add a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of black pepper. And yes, our black bean patties are ready. I use these recipes very often and now I want to share with you my new recipe of burger patty. For these chickpea and pumpkin burgers, you need to have a fresh tomato, blend it first, and then add 2 cups of cooked chickpeas, 5 tablespoons of pumpkin, and a cup of soft tofu. Blend it all up together until the consistency will be pretty smooth, like that. I add about a teaspoon of pepper, salt and chili and combine it all up together. I also add 2 tablespoons of chickpea flour. I prefer to use breadcrumbs this time to make this patty more beautiful and more delicious. In this recipe I decided to fry my patties to make them look more beautiful, but you can bake them in the oven as well. Try to flip them carefully. It's not my case. So finally you will have very delicious, flavorful and crunchy patties. You can use them in burgers or just with vegetables, as I usually do. I hope you guys enjoy these burger recipes. You should definitely give them a try. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!